Alright, we're going to do another test of the Ecoflow Delta 2 with this Milwaukee charger. Got my electric impact, and I have this air purifier that I haven't used in probably a year. It's the Germ Guardian. I got this from Best Buy. It needs a filter replacement. As you can see, it's been going a long time without the proper filter, but I stopped using it probably over a year ago. So I haven't plugged into, that's the percentage. We're at 89%. We're in the RAV. So let's see what wattage this draws. That's the 12 volt, and I have the Milwaukee 18 volt. And the Milwaukee is 18 volt. So 18 volt charger for the Milwaukee battery, and have this Garmin air purifier plugged in, and I have it being charged by the 12 volt car accessory. Now I have it set at 89%, so it's not charging, so it still tries to charge as I start turning appliances on. So let's turn all right, 42 watts. That's sufficient. Turn the mic so you can hear it. That's the sound of the air. It may be exaggerated, not sure, but we got 13 hours. So I can run this purifier mobilely for 13 hours. And I may just do that as my main fan. I like to put air circulation through the car. I'm going to do the continuous run method of the RAV for heating and cooling and excessive temperatures. But let's just say if it's at the temperature where I don't need heat or cold, I just need airflow. All right, that would more likely be the springtime and the fall. If I just need airflow, I'll use this or something similar to this. Of course, I've neglected it over some time, and the airflow is going to be reduced. But I say I get a new one. All right, maybe shorter, same amount of wattage. I believe they're all energy efficient, these air purifiers. But let's say I'll get a similar one in better condition. I don't know if I can actually clean this, but that's how much it will use if I just need airflow. And clean air, for that matter. All right, 13 hours, drawing about 40 watts. Plug in the Milwaukee. We do this in real time. Let's what it's looking like. 40 amps, so 89%. All right, let's put this battery on. There we go. It's going up. They're using 100 watts. 114. Trying to see if there's any lights on this thing. Yep, it's glowing red. I'm still not getting any input from the 12 volt. Alright, we got an input now. I took the 12 volt accessory out, put it back in. Maybe that was the problem. All right, but it's charging, and its charge is green. Charge it up. See, it's green. All right, from it being red, this is still on, blowing. So now we're gonna put a big load on it and see if the input wattage exceeds the output wattage. Let's see. High. It's gonna draw over, it should draw over 1,000 amps, or 1,000 watts. There we go. So it is not exceeding, the input is not going higher, even though it has a higher load or higher output of wattage, because it knows it's drawing from the 12 watt accessory. So if it was drawing from an AC input, the input would either match or exceed the output drawing from AC. So if you had this on a, say, inverter hooked up to your battery, it would automatically compensate. All right, and of course, you know, this is very inefficient to use. Space heater. It's on high, and maybe everybody will see it. It's blinking, and you can see it moving. All right, so 14 watts, 1400 watts. All right, we're going to turn this off. Now we have the air purifier and the Milwaukee battery charging. All right, so it's charging at 101 watts input, and we're only getting 52. All right, 39, and it says it'll be to 100% in 7 hours, but we're only going to get it to 89%. 6 hours. It's correcting. It's a setting I have on to turn the LCD screen off. All right, so we can definitely get 4% in an hour, I would say. Hour or so. All right, that says has been a test of the input will not raise based upon it being drawing from a 12 volt DC. Input will only automatically raise if it's drawing from an AC device based upon the output load.